here at Madera Canyon. It is October the 13th, and there's not very much water here. I think we came around Halloween last year and there was a lot of water. It was running pretty good. But we just found a deer. Every time we come here, we always see deer, and you can get pretty close to them because they're not afraid of people. So you can get pretty close to them, which is kind of fun. There's the boys. We're gonna have a picnic. It's nice weather down here in the canyon.
Arf.
Shh, Drew, stop.
Look at that.
Paige, stop.
Mom, can I chase after it?
No.
Darn it.
Just see how. Drew. Wait, patience. Stop. It's coming to us. Don't move.
I'm a monkey. Me and my monkey.
Look at all these ant holes. Ew.
That is hollow.
Hey, Paigey. Can I see your owie?
Oh, these are all termites.
She got a little owie on her hand. We're gonna get her band-aid, huh, Paige?
Oh, how are we supposed to get down?
This is a hollow tree. A bridge.
The hollow.
It's kind of cool. How much,
How
Blake?
much views do you have?
A lot. Just kidding. Yeah. Paigey!
Doritos, please.
Paige doesn't like her sandwich.
I do.
Because there's cheese on it. We have some nice spicy nacho chips on our sandwich. Is it delicious, Drew?
Yeah. It's crunchy.
I see it. Shush.
Oh, there's two.
It's a woodpecker.
Woodpeckers.
It's just gonna pounce on us.
What if it does something?
Should I throw a Dorito? Make it come closer?
Oh.
Drew! No!
Wait,
Look what it's eating.
At? Where's the Doritos at? Drew, pass the Doritos.
No, Graham! Oh, Graham.
Oh no, it's getting closer. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's getting so close. Oh my gosh.
Shh, Paige.
Paige, stop.
What's it eating?
It's eating
is
it.
it cooked?
It's a
I'm gonna go.
I'll leave him, but I'll leave. I don't want to get pounced on.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I'm not hungry. Stop.
Guys, stop.
That's how you get or squirrels obese. Stop.
Okay, no more, Paige.
Like Paige.
It
Oh my
likes
gosh.
the Doritos.
It likes the Doritos. It's so
It's a fight. It's a fight. Oh, they're fighting.
Let's go.
The boys are way up at the top of this hill. We climbed to the top. We are down here. They just climbed to the top of that.
Clams, tomatoes. Mariana space. Mom, why you?
The leaves are barely starting to change colors. kind of. Probably needs another month or so.
Mom, this is scary.
Hey, Paige.
Mom, how do you get down?
Paige, what's your favorite thing about coming here?
Water.
The water, but there's not that much water this time. They're kind of sad because they like to get in the water. But
Hey, I'll give you $1.
don't get in the water, Zoe. It's yucky.
Yes.
Zoe, don't.
Go to the back. Mom, look at all these dots.
Go to the bathroom. Don't go down that way, Drew. Where's your shoes?
They're up there.
Do you want me to grab them for you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, there's like glass in there. No, it's not. It's called rocks. Oh. Yeah.
Wait.
No, she's not. Ow!
Did it hit your toe?
Ow, it's like a stick.
A stick? Like, say cheese.
This is gonna make me die.
Don't land in the water because it's going to ruin your shoes.
They're already ruined.
Don't run into the water, Blake. Can you come back?
Yeah, I want to do it.
It's like your real grill on Grill Attack.
I can do it, Mom. I'm not tall enough. This thing is gonna break on me.
Don't land in the water, Graham. The water's yucky.
I got in it.
No, let me take
Okay.
a picture of him. Move out of the way.
Okay.
Can I jacket?